Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster MG. Today we got our demonstrator up for sale. It's MG HS Excite 1.5 manual gearbox. It's a 1.5 turbo engine as well. In this video I'll be walking around the car. To tell you also, we are the first owner on this car. There's not been any previous owner, so it's a pre-registered car. So start off with, we got automatic headlight, which are halogen projector. We got daytime running lights there, along with the fog lights up front. Nice grille up there. It's a nice pearl white color as well. So yeah, coming on to the first alloy, the 18-inch alloys, diamond cut as well. You can see really nice. So we've got our stickers on there. Second alloy there. It's been very well looked after. To the rear, we got LED tail lamps, which is nice. You got rear parking sensors along with a reverse camera just down there. I'll show you the boot space on this car. As you can imagine, a big boot space on this car. Also some storage space under here along with the triangle there, and also under there we got your space for a spare wheel and also tire repair kit, which is nice. Some storage space on either side as well. Seats to fold down, 60/40 split setting on the seats. You get more bigger boot space. It's a fourth alloy, the third alloy there. Show you the interior. You got full leather interior on this car with ISOFIX settings on both the sides, and also a third climate control and a couple of USBs just down there. All four electric automatic windows. You got keyless entry on this car as well, and that's your fourth alloy. So yeah, just jump in and show you the mileage on this car. Down here we got switches for all your four electric windows, and your wing mirrors, they do fold, which are electric and heated as well. You got blind spot detection system on this car. When you go start stop button there, your headlight adjustment, and storage space in here as well, and loads of storage space on the door is there. So yeah, let's check the mileage. Just close the door. There we go. Let me just zoom it in. It's the camera. So right, so the car's done 7,694, which is nothing, and we've been the first owner. So you have automatic headlights, you got adaptive cruise control, and also automatic wipers. Multifunction steering wheel. On your left you got your Bluetooth hands-free function and volume buttons. On the right you can customize the screen up there, the driver screen, as you can see. It does show you tire pressure monitor and so on. Navigation built in. You got your climate control, which is nice. Navigation there, which is nice. Alternately, you can have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto just by plugging it in there. 12-volt socket there. 6-speed manual gearbox. You got auto start stop, and also parking brake, auto hold, hill descent mode, and your hazards. I'll just show you that. That's a reverse camera which shows you the distance behind as well down there on the radar. So yeah, the car's here with us. We'll live with minimum 9 months of service. Feel free to get in touch with our sales team if you want to know more about this car. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.